I was broke and stuck. And honestly, I didn't believe making money online was possible anymore. But one free AI design tool completely changed that. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from zero to my first $100 using nothing but Canva's free AI features. No budget, no experience, no BS. And if you've been stuck like I was, this could be your breakthrough too. This video is about how I made my first $100 online using only Canva's free AI features. I went from hopeless to finally seeing proof that it actually works. Now, this matters because most people quit before they ever see their first result. That first $100 isn't just money, it's belief. It's proof that AI tools can actually help you escape the cycle of being stuck. I'm going to walk you through the exact 4 AI features I used, show you the step-by-step process, and at the end, I'll show you the proof, the actual $100 I earned and exactly how it happened. Step 1. Pick a niche with demand. Pick a niche where people are already spending money. I chose resume help because job seekers constantly pay for professional resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn optimization to land better jobs. How do you know there's demand? Go to Fiverr right now and search resume writing or CV design. See all those gigs with hundreds of reviews. That's proof people are buying. Other high-demand niches include social media templates, real estate marketing materials, and small business graphics. Pick one where you see active sales happening. Step 2. Use Canva's AI tools to create content. Alright, here's what we're working with. Canva has 4 AI features that most people completely ignore, but when you combine them strategically, they become a money-making system. Design for me, create an image, draft a doc, encode for me. I'm going to show you exactly how to use each one with the right prompts, and then how to combine them into something people will actually pay for. First feature, design for me. Click design for me right here. Here's the beginner-friendly way to do this. Instead of saying, make me a resume, try this prompt. Create a modern professional resume template for marketing professionals. Include sections for contact info, summary, experience, skills, and education. Use a clean layout with subtle blue accents and professional typography. Make it ATS friendly. See how specific I was? I told it exactly who it's for, what sections to include, the color scheme, and even mentioned ATS compatibility. This gives you professional results instantly. Now I can customize this, change the text, and I've got a professional resume template in under 2 minutes. But here's the key, I'm not just making one, I'm creating a template pack. Second feature, create an image. Click create an image here. This is simple. Just be specific about what you want. Prompt example. Create a clean, professional headshot placeholder showing a confident business person in business attire. Neutral background, professional lighting, suitable for resume headers and LinkedIn profiles. Modern corporate style. Completely different quality. I specified the style, lighting, purpose, and professional context. Now I have custom professional images that job seekers can use. I'm building a collection of original images to go with my resume templates. People pay a premium for originality. Third feature, draft a doc. This isn't just for documents. Watch how I use this to create valuable content. Prompt example. Write a comprehensive guide titled How to Write a Resume That Gets Interviews. Include sections on formatting, keyword optimization, common mistakes to avoid, and industry-specific tips. Write in a helpful, professional tone. Format with clear headings and actionable advice. Look at this. It's creating a complete guide with proper structure, headings, and formatting. But I'm not stopping here. I'll customize this, add my own insights, maybe change a few sections. Now I have a lead magnet or a piece of content I can use to attract clients, and since it's in Canva, I can make it look professional with their design tools. This becomes part of my resume package, the templates plus valuable career advice. Finally, code for me. Even if you've never coded, this can add serious value to your offerings. Prompt example. Create a simple HTML personal portfolio template with CSS styling. Include sections about me, skills, experience, and contact information. Use clean professional styling with responsive design for mobile devices. It's creating a complete portfolio website template. Job seekers can use this to showcase their work online, and it works perfectly. Now I can offer my clients not just resumes and guides, but also functional web portfolios. Step 3. Polish the output. I spent about 15 minutes per template customizing with Canva's free editing tools. I adjusted colors to match different industries, refined the typography, added subtle design elements, and made sure everything looked cohesive and professional. The AI did 90% of the heavy lifting. I just made it perfect, and that 10% of human touch is what separates a $5 product from a $35 product. Remember, you're not competing on price. You're competing on value and professionalism. Step 4. Post and sell on simple platforms. Now comes the packaging. This is crucial. People don't buy individual items. They buy solutions to problems. I packaged everything into a complete resume and career starter pack. Professional resume templates for 5 different industries, headshot placeholders, the complete interview guide, and the portfolio website template. Listed it on Fiverr for $35, Gumroad for $40, and posted about it in job search Facebook groups and LinkedIn. 3 platforms, maximum exposure. The key is positioning. Everything a job seeker needs to land their dream job. People buy complete solutions, not individual pieces. And here's a pro tip. I created different versions of the same package. Resume pack for new graduates, career change resume bundle, executive resume templates. Same core content, different positioning, different price points. Step 5. The proof. First $100. All right, here's the part you actually care about. Did this actually work? Here's my Fiverr dashboard from that first week. Sale 1, $35 on Tuesday morning. Sale 2, $35 on Wednesday evening. By Friday, I had 3 orders plus a custom request for $60. Total, $165 in my PayPal account by the end of week 1. My first $100 online using nothing but free AI tools. But here's what shocked me and changed everything. Job seekers started asking for custom versions. Can you make one specifically for nurses? What about software developers? Do you have anything for teachers switching to corporate? Same exact process, different career fields. $60, $85, $120 per custom order. That's when I realized this wasn't just a one-time thing. This was a business. Now, this isn't just about $100. This is the start of a system. Once you know how to use these Canva AI tools effectively, you can repeat this process. Next month, I created a package for teachers looking to switch careers, then one for recent college graduates, each one using the same 4 AI features, just with different prompts and targeting different job markets. The beautiful thing about AI is that once you learn how to prompt it correctly, you can create professional quality work in any niche. You're not limited by your design skills or writing ability anymore. 3 months later, I'm consistently making $500 to $1,000 per month with this system, working maybe 10 hours a week. If you've been stuck, like I was, try this today. That first $100 can change everything. It's not just money, it's proof that you can do this. Go to Canva, start with one of these AI features, and focus on creating something valuable that solves a real problem for a specific group of people. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now. Which Canva AI tool would you try first? Design, image, doc, or code? And tell me what niche you're thinking about. I read every comment and I'll help you brainstorm if you get stuck. And if you want to see how I built this into a complete simple morning routine with AI that gave me freedom, watch this video next. It's the system that changed my entire life. I'll see you there.